Thank you.
Most of y'all weren't here when the helicopter came down, but we do have an opportunity for how many people?
We have 2 rides, 4 people each ride, so 8 people can do 4 rides.
So 8 people. If 8 people want to ride on the helicopter, let's gauge how many people want to do it right now. Everybody. You need some rocket tickets. I didn't know all y'all were that great.
It throws you out for a second. You say what's going on. And then, see what's going on.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Come to our ranch, we'll take care of you guys too. And we gotta bring this cowboy out right here. Get him started. Watch this. Give him to me.
Oh, it's the baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Come on, cowboy, you ride the horsey.
We trust ours with everything.
Yeah. Yeah, you're riding the horsey.
We make good horses.
I see. What's the horse's name?
This is Duke.
Hey, Duke. I like horses.
I gotta hold the baby. The horse gonna take care of it.
Yeah.
If that baby shifts his body this way, the horse will shift his body to make sure he stays on it. Okay, guys. Because he's supposed to say more here.
Well, where's my security?
This dude working right here. I like this guy.
Did you say best friend? Oh.